Arjapalli is a fishing village in the Ganjam district of Orissa. Each year between November and April is peak fishing season, where hundreds of fish workers head out into the sea in their small teppas or traditional boats. This season also coincides with the arrival of hundreds of thousands of olive ridley turtles along the Orissa coast, the largest mass nesting site in the world. The fish workers here abide by traditional fishing norms that are safe for the turtles. But this also means small catches and surviving on a day-to-day basis. There are more than 70,000 fish workers along the Orissa coast, mostly living below the poverty line, the fishing season being erratic and their fish catch being meager. Bolangir is one of the poorest districts in Orissa. Most workers here belong to tribal and other backward castes. It's a dry region, and irrigation is a challenge for the farmers here. Due to this, Bolangir faces the severest migration problem. Families leave in large numbers looking for work in the neighboring states. Though both regions differ in landscape and livelihood options, what remains common is that most of the people living here are amongst the poorest of the poor in India, earning less than 10 rupees per day. In 2006, the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act was introduced across the country, a revolutionary act that ensures 100 days of employment to every needy rural household, every poor family, making right to work a constitutional right.
आज आमर जो सरकार अछंती एमिति गुडी सुंदर योजना गढै कि हम निकट को पठाई दै छथि से योजना कोन ना एनआरजीएस बाबत जहा को हम कहू छु आज जातीय ग्रामीण निश्चित कर्म नियुक्ति योजना माने जे कोनसी ग्रामांचल रे बसवास करूतिबा अणकुशली शारीरिक कार्य करिला को इच्छुक थिले आपण माने समस्त जाय कि काम करी खाई परिबे धनी गरीब नारी पुरुष यार भेद हब किछि नाही जे चाहूछि समस्त जाय कि काम करी खाई परिबे औ समय रे चकर घुरुछि समय रे चकर घुरुछि समय रे चकर घुरुछि समय रे चकर घुरुछि सही चकर सत्य कहार सही चकर सत्य कहार भाग्य बदलुछि.
What is this act? How can it help you? How can it be implemented in an effective manner? Let's explore the act through these two regions. This is Ariyamma. Her husband is a fish worker. The men here are mostly involved with fishing. The women come in at the selling stage, making sales at the beach itself or at the weekly fish market. The fishing season is at the most for 6 months, that also dependent on the vagaries of nature. This leaves them vulnerable for the rest of the year, where income is concerned.
जाल किछि नाही आउ 12 जाल को ना जाल गोले बाण को दिन 20 टंका 40 टंका मिलले नले नाही.
हरि हर विधय तर्क गोहम सबत्र
दिन एनआरजीएस काम जोगाई दया जैसे हो.
In 2006, the government launched awareness campaigns about National Rural Employment Guarantee Act in Orissa. In Arjapalli, the Gram Panchayat along with the Panchayat Samiti held a meeting to tell people about the Act. It's important for the Panchayat to hold such camps so that information about the Act can be known to more and more people. The Gram Panchayat plays a pivotal role in implementation of the Act on the ground. Alya is the Sarpanch of the village. A responsible Sarpanch and Gram Panchayat can make this act go beyond just ensuring jobs for the people, but making their village come out of the poverty circle.
किंतु ये योजनाटा एक्चुअली आवश्यक अच्छी एटा प्रकृत भाव में ठीक जिनस या द्वारा साधारण लोक गाँ छाड़ी जापर ना कि अन्य राज्य को जापर ना निज गाँव में निज कम करेंगे
या जॉब कार्ड कहले चलुची श्रमिक कार्ड लेबर कार्ड कहले चलुची ये कार्ड रे परिवार पिछा वर्ष को आज्ञा 100 दिन काम सरकार हमको जोगाई देबे आनंद रे काम करी खाई पारिबा
Ariyamma and her friends went to the Gram Panchayat office to register their names for the job card. A photograph of the household or individual is essential for the job card, and the cost will be borne by the program.
अणकुशली श्रमिक जदि कम चाहती एनआरजीएस कम करने से पंचायत ऑफिस को आसी एक्जिक्यूटिव अफिसर पाखे पंजीकरण दरखास्त फिलअप कर निज परिवार फोटो आउ भोट परिचय पत्र जेरक्स नहीं आसिले आम पंजीकरण कर जॉब कार्ड प्रदान कर
The job card is valid for 5 years and has to be updated every year. It should have permanent information about the household and provision of adding employment details. The Gram Panchayat should have a photocopy of all the job cards issued. The job cards should be given in public to ensure transparency and open dialogue. The Panchayat Samiti is also training local youth to become Gram Rozgar Sevaks. The Gram Rozgar Sevaks can be employed by the Panchayat to support the implementation of this act, especially to help with people who cannot read or write, to maintain records, and even to supervise work. In Bolangir, we met Dayalu and his wife. They migrate every year to Andhra Pradesh to work in brick kilns. Dayalu and his wife would rather stay and work in the village if they had a choice.
जो थे आंध्र प्रदेश टिकट ट्रबुल हिबासे चलु थेनु 50-60 टंगा मजूरी चलु थेनु यहाँ हमको माटी काम रे 102 मिलुचे टाउन मेट्रे हमको 135 मिलुचे आ हेंता करी यहाँ टिके व्यवस्था ठीक चलुछु.
The vision of this act is not just to ensure 100 days of work, but to build community assets under the scheme of work undertaken. Almost 80% of agriculture labor families own land, but the capacity of their farms to provide work has been decimated by years of environment degradation. The projects initiated under NREGA should not just provide relief in terms of distress, but build long-term assets for the family, so that they do not have to migrate to look for work. Gram Sabhas or village meetings are the starting point for this. The whole village gets to decide what kind of work can be initiated and at what cost. The demand for work has to come from you.
जेहेतु योजनाटा एंता जे साले खाली मुड़ बोहेबे किंबा भात डलार बोहेबे एंता ट्रक मोटर किंबा ये जानबाहन मेसिन द्वारा काम हेबा नहीं सेतिर कहीं से कष्ट होची जहाँ पे हो जते जदि जिबा सेते पर्यंत खुला हो
मु अनुरोध करी आमर पंचायत ग्राम पंचायत मानकू पंचायत समिति मानकू जिला परिषद मानकू कि प्रथमे से माने ठीक ठीक प्रोजेक्ट बाछंतु जहाँ द्वारा कि लोकन को आमे 100 दिन गारंटी जोगई देवा सहित आमे गाँ पाई बा सही जिला पाई आमे किछि गोटे स्थायी संपत्ति भी सृष्टि करिबा जहाँ द्वारा कि लोकंकर आर्थिक मानदंडर उन्नति घटिबो एवं लोक आउ आमर एते दरिद्र रहिबे नाही।
किंतु ये कार्ड को नहीं कि जदि हमें घर रखी देबा
काम मिली परिबो नाही
हम सरकार आनी देबेनी घर ये कार्ड हमें पाई सारला पर गांव वाला जाई कहिबा सरपंच महोदय आज कि हमें कार्ड पाई सारिचु आ हमको जदि आज काम जोगाई देबे तेबे आनंद रे हमें काम करे कि खाई परिबो
खंडिया रज लेखिबा
एमिति अरजी लेखिबा काम करिबा को आपत्ति कर आज काम करिबा को आपत्ति कर
Back in Arjapalli, Ariyamma and other women have filed an application for demand of work. The demand for work has to be given in written to the Gram Panchayat. Once the application is submitted, the work has to be given within 15 days.
जदि से समस्त को पाई जदि सेटा को 1500 आसला
महागा तुलसा देवी महागा तुलसा देवी हठ श्री कृष्ण को पहनगाला भी महागा तुलसा देवी पावत्र मुठुता तमका साईता पावत्र मुठुता तमका साईता संजय काले संजयवती महागा तुलसा देवी उदास्त्र पिंदी तो पादा सेविली उदास्त्र पिंदी तो पादा सेविली बही कुंठाल भूपाही महागा तुलसा देवी।
Being a coastal village, Arjapalli faces severe shortage of fresh water. Here, the village decided that a sweet water tank would be useful not just for day-to-day use of water, but to also double it up as a fishing tank. This would add to the income of the families here and also act as a safety net in bad season. At the Sweetwater tank, there are 140 women employed from the village. Some of the key aspects that the Panchayat has to take care of at a work site like this are a transparency pillar with all the information about the project has to be put up at the work site. Work has to be given within 5 kilometers of the village. 1/3 of workforce has to be women. At this site, it is 100% women, as the men are busy with the fishing work. Drinking water facility has to be there. A shed has to be created for the children who come along. Another plan discussed was the construction of a road to the beach. This would enable vehicles with ice to come up to the beach, and the fish could be sold directly to buyers, increasing the market value of the fish. In Bolangir, it has not been that easy for the Panchayat Samiti. The work taken up here is watershed development. Farm ponds have been marked out to benefit a group of 5 families in the village. Despite work being there is a shortage of labor force.
ये जो माइग्रेशन है एठिका लोक बहुत टिके जो ब्रिक्स इटा काम माने एक्सपर्टाइज से रही से इटा काम करने दरकार पड़े से बाहर को जाऊँ अनेक समय
To work in brick kilns, the families get an advance and get paid as individuals. Despite wanting to stay in the village to work, at this stage they find moving out more lucrative.
हाँ आमे आंध्रा जो थिलु बोले इन एडवांस आमको 12,000 10,000 दौथिला सरदार दुई जन के तेहरू आंध्रा जो थिलु आंध्रा रे 6 मास आमे काम करथिलु सेनु आसले इन जेन पल्हारु आरुई अनेक केंता करी चली जो थिलु जेन दिनो सरकार आमको मैट बुहा काम रे 100 दिनिया कुली मजरी काम करी करी चलो आरो आंध्रा नहीं जो बोला जनता सरकार से दिनो आमे 100 दिनिया काम रे नहीं चली हुए बोली करी आमे 200 दिनिया काम हेता बोले बहुत बढ़िया सुविधा रे आमे चली पारतु.
It's been 14 days of work in Arjapalli at the water tank. It's time for measurement of work and payment. The junior engineer, along with assistants, has to take the measurement of work done in detail. Under NREGA, till a wage rate is fixed by the government, every worker will be entitled to minimum wage fixed by the state government. In Orissa, the minimum wage rate currently is 70 rupees. It's important for you to ensure you are engaged with the work directly and not working for a contractor. The attendance is marked at the worksite and the muster rolls are taken to the Panchayat Samiti. Under Monitoring Information System or MIS, all the information is fed on the online server. This ensures records that can be tracked by any individual at any time. This is one more step towards transparency. In Orissa, the government has made it mandatory for the panchayats to open bank accounts for the job card holders.
तमे जदि एनआरजी अंडर जदि खाता खोलिबो बोले एमती फॉर्म भरिया पड़िबो जस्ट फोटो फोटो उठे करी तापरे खाता खोली सारला परे आमे एमती तुमको पासबुक देबो पासबुक देला परे से जो तमे सेटा काम करिथबो एनआरजी ये रो पंचायत रो काम जोटा हिथबो से पैसा आसिकरी तम खाता एठी जमा हे जिवो ना कोन नंबर अनुसार से
वर्तमान सुधा मो पंचायत रे मु चिंता करछि जे 3 मास हला बैंक अकाउंट खुले पे दिया छै वर्तमान सुधा खुली पार नांती से रुस्कुला बैंक एवं हमरो अलाहाबाद बैंक जदि बैंक वाला इंटरेस्ट नांती लोक माने सरपंच कोन करबे एटे एवं लोक माने कोन करबे.
Despite these hiccups, some headway has been made. This is the first time Ariyamma has a bank account.
450 टका अछि
150 समान अछि. नमस्कार
सर जदि पीआरआई मेंबर्स माने अप्लाई करि पारि कि
The act is new and its implementation needs a lot of detailing and understanding. The Orissa government has set up special sessions on NREGA under the GramSat. These happen on specific dates and doubts and issues can be addressed directly to the Secretary, Rural Development.
सर 40 जन को डिमांड आनला डिमांड एंट्री हला सर बट वर्क साइट रे प्रोजेक्ट रे जतले अटेंड कले सर ओनली 30 जॉब सीकर अटेंड कले सर.
It's also a good connection point where different panchayat samitis can see each other's progress and share and learn more about the act.
जो हम गाँव को टंका केते आसुची धरने लाखी आसिला 2 लाख टंका
धरम तो 2 लाख टंका हम बर्तिया गाँ को आसिला
हमें हिसाब किताब रे तार अछि कि नहीं
गोटे प्रोजेक्ट चलिछि से प्रोजेक्ट रे 2 लाख टंका खर्चा हला बा अधिक लागिबो बस
सरी जाइछि कि
ए जानवर का
निहाती दरकार है देखम तो हजूरे तेबे ग्राम सोहासी बसी हिसाब मागिबे काम से सोहला करे काम से सोहला करे अर्जुमान
Many government schemes are shrouded with corruption charges. And in NREGA, the story is not different. However, you can do something about it.
आमे जो दुर्नीति कथा चिंता करूचे तो दुर्नीति प्रत्येक क्षेत्र में हो पार तो आमको लोक मानू जिते से पंचायत रे बसिकी गोटे मीटिंग करेंगे गाँव में बसिकी से सोशल ऑडिट करेंगे
Social audits are compulsory under this act. Social audit is an open meeting where the panchayat and the panchayat samiti has to give an account of the entire project amount spent and payments given. You have a right to ask questions and demand information. In some other states, people have actually used social audit and recovered lakhs of money from people who tried to misuse the fund or tamper with records. It's a very important tool you have in your hands to ensure transparency.
ये सब जिन जदि लोक मैंने निजे बसिकी एग्जामिन करेंगे निजे परीक्षा निरीक्षा करेंगे तेबे बहुत मात्रा रे करप्शन बंद हो जिवो।
The process of NREGA has begun. There is still a long way to go.
आम गाँव कम चलती बेले तुमको भी तुम गाँव सेमती जॉब कार्ड मिलले तुम भी सेमती काम करि पारे।
But unlike other schemes, here you have a role to play in making it a success. Let's take another look at the steps for effective implementation of NREGA in your area.
तुमले पंचायत जाइकिरी जॉब कार्ड मागिकिरी तुमले आनी पारबा बंद काम रोड काम करि पारबा।
जगतु ओडिशा गोटे गरीब राज्य बहुत लोक मान काम दरकार यही स्कीम द्वारा आपण 100 दिन किए भी चाहिए परिवार 100 दिन काम पाई पारिबे एटा गोटे भल मौका आम समस्त हाथ मिसेकी यही मौकाटा भल भाव में यूटिलाइज करवा।
निश्चित कर्म योजना रे एटा जो सुविधा अनुसार आम गाँव में आरजीपुल पंचायत रे जो प्रकार लोक मान निज निष्पत्ति अनुसार करछन्ती आपण गाँव में आपण जदि आलोचना करेंगे से प्रकार प्रकल्प माने निष्पत्ति नेबे निष्पत्ति नहीं कार्यकारी करेंगे।
एनआरईजीएस योजना सफल हम जितेबाला आमर प्रत्येक स्तर में लोकंकर भागीदारी रहिबो।
भारत मातार दुख जाऊ हे